Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech 2 AI. As promised, today I'm here with the much awaited complete review of Optimum 1124H2. After clean installing it on my old Toshiba laptop in the previous video, I've spent some time testing its performance, exploring its features, and putting it through real world usage scenarios. In this video, I'll walk you through how well Optimum 1124H2 handles tasks on low end hardware, share my experience with its speed, efficiency, and overall usability, and answer the big question: is Optimum 11 truly the best lightweight OS for old and incompatible laptops? Stick around as I also test its gaming potential, compatibility with essential apps, and whether it's worth installing on your device. So let's dive into the world of Optimum 1124H2 and see if it lives up to its claims of being streamlined, bloat free, and fast. Okay, as our Optimum 11 OS is installed and ready to use, let's have a quick look at its features. But before we dive in, if you want to know how to create a bootable USB and install Optimum 11, click the I button to watch my video on it. I've also added the link in the description, so don't forget to check it out. The first thing I noticed is that you don't need to sign in with any account. The admin account is already set up for you, which is super convenient. When it comes to pre installed apps, there's absolutely no unnecessary software cluttering the system. All the bloatware has been removed, which is a huge relief. I explored the settings and everything works perfectly. Nothing seems to be compromised here. Under personalization, all the default themes are available, and you can easily switch between light and dark themes. Everything looks great so far. As I navigated through the settings, I could already feel how smooth and fast this OS is running. Now, when you right click on the desktop and choose Show More Options, you'll find some really handy new features. You can open the command prompt directly or even run it as an admin. There's also a control panel option, and if you hover over it, you'll see shortcuts to all control panel items, and even the All Tasks option, commonly known as God mode. There's an option to kill unresponsive tasks right from here, which is so helpful. You can also restart File Explorer or even start your device in safe mode straight from the context menu. This is seriously impressive. By the way, this is not a promotional video. I'm just sharing my honest opinions with you. So far, I'm really liking it, but I still want to test its performance after installing some apps. Moving on, there's this extra plus info icon that opens up additional features. It includes some desktop shortcuts that you can use if you want. Along with a set of wallpapers. They've also provided web browser installers for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, so you can pick your favorite and start browsing right away. I've gone ahead and installed Chrome. When you right click on the Start menu, you'll see a familiar list of services, just like in regular Windows 11. I also checked Task Manager to get a sense of the system's performance. The background processes are only 34, which is significantly lower than the usual 80 to 85 in Windows 11. Under the Performance tab, the system shows 91 processes, around 1,400 threads, and about 45,000 handles. That's quite low compared to other operating systems, and it really makes Optimum 11 feel lightweight and responsive. There's another cool feature I found. If you right click inside a folder, there's an option to open command prompt, and it'll open directly within that folder's path. That's such a neat addition. Now, I've installed some of my favorite high configuration applications to see how they perform. You can see the icons on my desktop. I ran multiple apps at the same time: my screen recorder, a video editor, Power Director, and even BlueStacks. I performed some imports and exports while all of this was running, and to my surprise, everything worked smoothly without any lag. I'm genuinely impressed by how well my old laptop is handling this OS. Going back to the extra plus info icon, there are a few more things worth mentioning. If you need to enable the printer option, you can do so by double clicking the printer enabler. You can also install the Microsoft Store if you want. There are some tweaks available, and you can easily switch between dark and light themes. I even tried playing a game for a while to see how it handles gaming, and I'm happy to report that it was smooth and lag free. Honestly, I'm really enjoying the overall feel of Optimum 11. The performance is fantastic, and if you ask me, it's definitely worth giving a try. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. It might benefit them as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Tech2AI, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you're planning to try Optimum 11 or share your experience if you've already used it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.